Hi, we're Donnie and Anna, and when we purchased our Kobelco K907-LC-II excavator, we knew it was going to need a little bit of work. The next thing on our list of things to do the excavator is to change out the filters. And it just wouldn't be life if everything went exactly as planned.
It's the same filter?
Nope, it's not the right filter.
Are you cleaning?
Yeah.
You cleaning the tracks out?
Yeah.
Is it a lot of fun?
Dolphin.
Mm-hmm. And the first thing we're tackling is the hydraulic filters.
So how do you release the pressure?
I don't think it has pressure in it. Because
Is that what you're going with?
that's what I'm going with. Well, this is where the filter is. This has to go in here. So I'm going to crack these loose. This is like opening up a present.
A scary present? It actually doesn't look terrible.
I think an important thing to note is that we are not experts. We're really just learning things as we go and figuring things out as we go. And we're sharing it so that maybe it can help somebody else out or at least make somebody laugh. That being said, if you do have some expertise in this area and you want to share it, feel free to leave a comment down below.
You're close.
Daddy, there's guess what?
Close
There's
to
a little
halfway
maple
between.
tree.
No. You're close to the first line.
So I got the hydraulic filters changed, which actually wasn't too bad. And now we're going to change the fuel filters. I don't see a fuel shut off on this, so I'm going to try to be as fast as possible. So I'm going to pre-fill this filter with fuel.
Is this gonna start like pouring?
Yes, probably.
No, it's a different color. Is that okay? I mean, obviously the color doesn't matter, but it's the same filter.
Nope, it's not the right filter.
You sure?
Yeah.
Did you pull the wrong one out of the box?
No, fuel filter.
Fuel filter. Put the other one back on, I guess. Do you have a different one?
It's different.
That's exciting.
Can you take a picture of that? Great.
That's exciting. You sure that wasn't like meant for a different thing?
That's deflating.
You're doing so well too. So why did they not give you the correct thing?
I don't know. Now it's full of fuel, so it's...
You can't send it back.
Okay. Alright, let's go change the other filter on top.
How often do people actually change these filters?
It's supposed to be like every 500 hours. Okay. Check this. There's the other one. Those look similar.
You're not gonna know until you put it on there.
Yeah, this red looks good though. So I pre-filled that with fuel and I screw that on.
making a trip to the parts store to get a new filter, some hydraulic fluid, and coolant.
Yep.
Now that we have the correct filter and enough hydraulic fluid, we can finish this project.
So you're about half now.
It's like 8 gallons low.
Okay.
Filter change, take 2.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
We got both fuel filters changed and they're both full of fuel, and now we gotta prime it. So down in here, there's a little primer. We're gonna pump it and try to prime it. This is the bleeder screw here, so we're gonna loosen this to let the air out. And the primer is way down here. Not sure if we're supposed to do that. This machine has 2 engine oil filters. There's a main engine oil filter, and then there is a bypass engine oil filter. We're going to change them both.
So what is this contraption you're using?
This is an oil filter wrench for a socket. This strap wrench works absolutely amazing.
Something that's not uncommon in older machinery is that sometimes someone can't find the original part and swaps it out for another part or an aftermarket part. And we're pretty sure this is what happened with our fuel filter. In hindsight, we should have double checked what filters were actually on the machine before we went ahead and ordered what the manual said should have been on the machine.